I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck it up, fuck it up.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another hair install video. Before we jump into it, I wanted to tell y'all that AliExpress is now having their Black Friday sale from November 23rd to the 29th. They have thousands of wig selection that y'all can choose from that are up to 50% off. You heard me, 50% off. You can click the code in my description box to get this wig and use the code WOW60 to get $60 to $200 off your wig. That's crazy. This wig is from AliExpress. We are working with Wowangel HD Lace Official today. This is their 13x6 HD lace, which is in 28 inches. And y'all hurry before they run out because this wig, top tier. I'm not even just saying that, but y'all, from the installation to everything, the moment I felt this wig, I just knew it was going to be a good one. So definitely check them out on AliExpress. You could go to AliExpress on the app, search WOW60 to get your percentage off, to find more influencer pick, and use the code WOW60. Let's get into the installation of the video.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, don't say it 'cause I know I'm cute. Louis down to my drawers, LV all on my shoes. I be dripping so much sauce, got a bit looking like Grey Goose. Lit up like a crystal ball, that's cool, baby, so is you. That's how I roll. Shining, everybody gonna shine. I would want like this, don't even gotta try. I like shining, nigga, better over time. Heard you say I'm that is that you lie. Blame it on the goose, blame it on the juice, baby. I'm not here thinking you, time to put it in the proofs. Blame it on the juice, blame it on my juice, blame it on my juice. Snack it all, baby, on the whole damn meal. Baby, you ain't being slick, don't dare try to come feel. The juice ain't worth the squeeze, the juice don't look like this. Hold up, nigga, please, don't make me have to take your push. Shining, everybody gonna shine. I would want like this, don't even gotta try. I like shining, nigga, better over time. Heard you say I'm bad, that's you lie. I'm out here getting loose. Blame it on the goose, blame it on the juice, baby. I'm out here making moves. I'ma put it in the proofs. Blame it on my juice. 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 Somebody come get this man. I think he got lost in my DMs. My DMs. What? You better come get your man. I think he wanna be way more than friends. What? More than friends. What you want me to say? It ain't my fault that I'm out here getting loose. Gotta blame it on the goose. Gotta blame it on my juice, baby. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making moves. I'ma put it in the proof. Blame it on my juice. Blame it on my juice. Blame it on my juice.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini just to race with China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina. Smuggle bricks to China. I tell all my niggas, cut the check, bust it out, turn your goofy down. Pow, pow, slip on it, yes, let's I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw it, I'ma bust it open. Go stupid and be bits. I don't get honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas wife me once they get that good punani. I think he need the bunny, I might just let him find me. Never trust a big butt, and the smile goes to Ronnie. Rep queens like Supreme, ass web and nitty, ass bring me in Joe. Nigga run me my dog. This game is freezing like it wait in the cow. Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't a cow.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag 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 it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. What on the dope, boy, the one they talking about? All these gunsman ass niggas got my name in their mouth. I know the bad bitches, but no niggas who bitches too. They should bleed once a month. Cause that what these bitches do. You a bitch, and you bitch should expose you. All that pillow talking, nigga, that what the hoes do. You a bitch. Word to my nigga short. We won't never write no statement. We ain't showing up in court. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up. Fuck it up, 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 break it up, break it up, break it up.
Y'all, this hair